Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a Claude AI account. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for the official Claude AI website. When you do this, make sure you're selecting the legitimate site, since using the official page helps protect your account and ensures you're signing up in the right place. Once you've found the correct result, open it to get to the Claude sign-in page. On the login screen, look for the option that says Continue with Google and click it. This is one of the quickest ways to get started because it connects your Google account to Claude and simplifies the sign-up process. After that, you'll be taken to Google's sign-in and authorization screens. At this stage, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen to continue filling in the required information. Depending on your setup, you may need to choose a Google account, sign in if you're not already logged in, and review any permissions being requested. Take a moment to read each screen carefully so you know what you're approving before moving forward. Once you've completed the Google sign-in process and return to Claude, click Create Account. This confirms your registration and moves you into the onboarding process. If you'd like to use the free version, select Use Claude for free. This is the right option if you want to start exploring the platform without choosing a paid plan right away. It's a good way to get familiar with the interface and features before deciding whether you need anything more advanced later on. Next, click Skip if that option appears. This usually allows you to move past optional setup choices and continue directly into the account setup flow. From there, continue by following the instructions shown on your screen. The remaining steps may vary slightly depending on your account status, region, or any updates to Claude's onboarding process. Just move through each prompt one at a time and provide the requested details as needed. If something doesn't look exactly the same as expected, don't worry. That can happen when websites update their design. The key is to keep following the on-screen guidance until setup is complete. And that's it. Once you finish the final prompts, your Claude AI account should be ready to use. You can then begin exploring the platform and using its tools right away.